Welcome to the AI video revolution. This is a guide to the best AI video generators available in 2026. Digital content creation has rapidly evolved. Older AI video models had flicker and distortion, but today's AI video generators are true world models. These tools perfectly simulate 3D space and gravity, enabling filmmakers and marketers to easily build high-end stories. Google Veo 3.2 is the architect of realism, setting the gold standard for production stability. Key features include native 4K resolution, world physics for advanced simulation, and a vertical-first optimization for social media and mobile-first content. OpenAI Sora 2 is the master of narrative, interpreting complex prompts and nuanced emotions. It maintains motion coherence across characters and scenes. This model also generates perfectly synchronized audio for every scene. Runway General 4.5 features advanced controls for granular camera movements like pans, tilts, and zooms. The multi-motion brush dictates exact movement areas, making it the primary tool for the professional VFX community in 2026. Luma Dream Machine is intuitive, fast, and cinematic, using ray architecture for natural lighting. It's the best choice for high-quality cinematic results in seconds, perfect for rapid prototyping and creative inspiration. The market landscape shows distinct strengths. Google Veo excels in technical realism, Sora 2 in story consistency, and Runway General 4.5 in VFX controls. Adobe Firefly leverages its creative ecosystem for graphic designers. For fast-paced social marketing, Kling 2.6 is the global workhorse for high-volume social ads. InVideo AI is the marketing specialist, handling script, voiceover, and footage in one workflow. Pika 2.5 is the creative choice for artistic content on social platforms. Character and story integrity are crucial. LTX Studio defines a character's identity once and maintains visual consistency across many scenes. Seance uses advanced multi-shot logic to understand environment continuity across different camera angles. AI video adoption is growing rapidly. Milestones include world simulation, local generation capabilities, and native audio integration, indicating a robust upward trend in the coming years. To select the best tool, consider your needs. Choose Google Veo for high-end commercials, OpenAI Sora for narrative films, Kling or InVideo for rapid social ads, and Adobe Firefly for design workflows.